Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I decided to treat myself to this Sekonda two-tone watch, which is basically a Cartier dupe, and it looks like that. It has two tones, gold and silver. I never had a gold and silver watch before, so it will be a really nice addition to my collection. So on today's video I'll be showing you how I adjust this strap on this watch and how to remove the back on this watch. Now I'll try this watch. So as you can see, it is a bit too long for me, so it needs adjusting, so I'll be doing that. This watch comes with a 2-year warranty, which is really good. And this is the information of my watch. And to adjust this watch, I ordered on Amazon this watch kit. I paid £4.89 for a whole set, which is amazing because it comes with really good pliers, with a spring in the middle there, with fine nose tweezers, with watch case opener knife to open the watch case at the back there, watch case opener for twisted back watches, not for that one, 3 screwdrivers with a flat tips, 2 Phillips screwdrivers, 1 flat and 1 with a cross, really tiny this one, link pin punch and spring bar tool for opening watch links, 3 link pin punches to remove the links on a watch strap, double-headed hammer with nail and steel end, watch band link removal tool, so it removes the watch links like that, and soft work pads to remove the links. So you basically put the watch strap there and remove the links on the watch. Now I'll show you how I remove the links on this watch. So basically this watch, this side is really short and that one is longer, so I'll be removing links on this side. As you can see on the wrong side of the watch, you can see these arrows pointing down there. So I'll be removing whole that section off, and I'll be following those arrows, and I'll be punching that pin there, and that pin will come out. So these arrows are very essential. So I'm placing this watch in so the pin comes out from that hole there. So I'm placing my watch so the arrows are facing down, placing my watch strap where the pad hole is, so you can see the pin is there, and it will come out from that hole. And I'll be using a hammer to hammer the pin out, using the pin puncher tool. So I'm placing that pin puncher tool on a pin there, and I'm hammering that pin out with the steel side of the hammer. So the pin is out, and here's the pin. So I will explain the pin. As you can see, as you can see, these 2 ends of the pin are the pin which was at the bottom of the arrow, and I was hammering the other end of the pin. So I'll put this pin aside so I don't lose it. And here's my watch strap and the link which I removed. It looks like that. Next, I will remove this small link on this watch strap, that one, and I'll be using this link removing machine, not machine, tool, and I'll be again following the arrows, so the arrows facing down that way, unscrewing this link pin removing tool, placing that there where that gap is, and that pin will open other pin inside in a watch strap. So I'm screwing that tool. As you can see, the pin is showing on the other side there, so a little bit of the pin is showing. I'm trying again because it didn't take the pin out fully. and I think it won't work, so I don't really like that machine, so I'm just gonna take that pin out with the pliers. There it is. So that's the link from my watch strap removed. Next I will attach this link back on a watch strap like that, this way. So I'm taking this pin and I'll be placing this pin back on the watch strap same way how it was inserted in the first place. So the flat bit will go there and double-ended side of this pin will go where the arrows are facing down. So hope this makes sense. So the flat bit is on top and double-sided bit is where the arrows are facing down. So let's do this. So I'm using tweezers and I'm inserting pin in. So that was really easy to do that. Next I will finish off this pin using the hammer, nylon side of the hammer, and I'm hammering that pin fully inside in this watch strap. It looks like that. And to finish off this watch link, I'm using the watch link pin tool and I'm hammering that pin a little bit deeper inside, and it looks like that. Last thing what I need to do on this watch strap is to remove this extra clasp, which I don't need. I won't be using 2 clasps, so removing that. Now I'm trying my watch on and it fits perfect. As you can see, there's only 1 clasp and I absolutely love it. Fits really nicely. Next I'll show you how to open this watch back cup. I'll be using watch back cup opening knife, flat screwdriver. So basically you can see there's a kind of little tiny opening there on the watch. You'll see that in every cup watches, and I'm using my flat screwdriver and I'm opening, kind of popping up that cup and finishing that cup opening with the knife, and the cup is off. So the cup is there, and luckily I have battery on this watch already, so I don't have to insert or replace the battery. So I'm just gonna put this cup back on. So you can see kind of opening there, so that goes there where the dial is, and I'm literally just popping that back cup on like that. So this is how easy it is to open the cup on a watch like that. If you have any questions how I adjusted watch strap or opened watch back cup, please comment down below in a comment box. Also, I will link this watch and watch kits down below in a description box. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you next time. Love, Anita.